Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset the keyboard dictionary on your iPhone or iPad. So, if your iPhone has learned some unwanted words or auto corrections that aren't helpful, resetting the keyboard dictionary can help. That's it, let's get started. So, first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the General option. This section has options for adjusting your iPhone's general settings. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose the Reset option. After that, you have to choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary option in the menu. You will now be prompted to enter your passcode for security, and once entered, a confirmation message will appear. Then you have to tap on Reset Dictionary to confirm. This will erase all custom words and corrections your iPhone has learned, resetting it to the default dictionary. And there you have it. You have successfully reset the keyboard dictionary on your iPhone or iPad. Now your device will start fresh learning words and corrections based on your typing. If this guide was helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.